students, welcome to our YouTube channel IPA Java. Students, in the last video I discussed the Java programming. This is the basic Java programming and also the pattern of IPA exam, the criteria of IPA exam and everything. So if you're not watching this video, I send the video link to the description box and also give the I button. You can click on the I button, you can watch this video. Today I discuss uh, something and share you some information that if you search in Google IPA Java, then you get a GitHub account. This is my account and I upload a lots of Java programming in for the IP exam. You can access the GitHub account from here. A lots of students, lots of friends used this account and told me they are very helpful. The GitHub account is very much helpful for all of them. So you can get access this account and you can see all of the program. Like see in the IPA 13, this is the question for IPA exam, and this is the solution of this coding. So you can see this program, okay, from this GitHub account. Search in Google Origit SE, or you can write IPA Java, anything. So today I discussed with you some important Java programming of the IPA exam. See, this is the question. I take copy from here. The question is, write a Java program to implement a simple calculator. The program should prompt the user to enter two number and operate an operator plus minus into or divide, and then perform the corresponding operation, display the result. That means you have to write a Java program which gives a calculator. Simple thing. Okay. And this is the user defined calculator. That means user put the values manually in the output and the value user will get. So how to program this? First, we can write import java.util.start. Then we can write public class prec1, then public static void main, and lastly scanner is equal to new scanner system.in. Okay, till then all of the thing is same. Now see the question. Write a Java program implement a simple calculator. The program should prompt a user enter two numbers and an operator. That means there are the two numbers from 0 to 9. In calculator 0 to 9, there are two numbers int. So we take int a and int b. We take two numbers and an operator. So we can take operator as character. Char C. Okay. We take character and then now we write. Now we take the value from the user and scan them. So we write here a equal to sc dot next int. This is the first. Second number b equal to sc dot next int. This is the second value. And lastly, we take the operator plus minus multiplication or divide. So c equal to sc dot next line. Okay. See, this is a character. So this is the part of a string. Character is the part of a string. That means character is the zeroth position of a string. Suppose a string is a digit like my name Arijit. So A is the character and character means it placed in at a position of the string. A is the position 0. That means like an array. That means for character C we write it as char at 0. Okay. Why 0? Because in a string we write a character only. So as a character, as a string, the position of the character of the string is 0, and that means C is only a character and also a string. Okay. Now now our next task is we just try to check. Now we use if function. If C equal to if C equal to plus. Since plus, minus, multiplication and divide are the character, this is not an operator for the program. This is a character. So for character we use inverted comma and write plus here. If C equal to plus, then we just add them. We just add the values of A and B. So SOUT A plus B. Okay. Else else if else if C equal to minus, then sorry, it will print A minus B. Else if C equal to multiplication, then it will print A into B. And lastly, else else means the remaining one, slash. So for slash, see, there are the four operators: plus, minus, multiplication and divide. So there are lots of operators, but we only choose the four operators. So else if C equal to divide, then we will print A divided by B. Okay, this is the last thing. Okay, but if user put different operator like semicolon or anything, then it will print system error, server error, or something error. So we can write here else SOUT error. Okay, and write it as capital. See, the program is completed. Now we run this program. So first our system ask a value, like we put 8. So 8 is stored as A. Next we put 4. So 4 is represent, B is represent 4. See, an error is there. Index 0 out of bound length. So we write here next line is C dot next line. Now again we check task 8, then 4. Yeah. Then it asks, suppose we put plus, then see the value is 12. Okay. Next one, suppose we put 16. Next we write 4 and then we use divide sign. Then it will give 4. And last, suppose user put an different variable or different operator like 9. Suppose user put percentage. See, this is the error because b is a b is an integer, but percentage is not an integer. This is a operator. We again run this program. First we put 9, then put 3, and lastly we put suppose percent ampersand. See, error because we wrote that if any other different operator from the 4 options, then it will show the error. Okay, so this is the programming structure. You can modify this program as suppose like a system, so you put the system program, enter the first number, next enter the second number, and last one enter the third number. Sorry, sorry, enter the operator. Now see that this line, what is the need of sc dot next line for this line? See, the first line is for integer, second line is for integer. So system will understand that system is automatically set as we take integer this type values as line by line, but since the integer and character are different, so to change from integer to character, we use sc.nextLine. Otherwise, the system will crash. The output you see, you show the output that it shows the error. So we use sc.nextLine to print the next line input, to take the next line input. Okay, but for integer or any number, no need to write sc.nextLine. You can write also here sc.nextLine, but no need. Only to change from integer to character or integer to string, you have to write sc.nextLine for the next line input. Okay, so this is the example of a Java program. So if you like this video, subscribe my channel and share this video to your friends and press the bell icon for the upcoming videos. And I give an information that every Saturday and Sunday I upload these videos, because in the whole week I goes to TCS office, so I have not more time to make videos every day. So for Saturday and Sunday, I always upload one video each of the day, and you can see these videos, and it helps to learn you how to clear the IPA exam and also PRA exam. So stay with my channel and keep support to me. So thank you so much. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Goodbye.